Hey, what's going on, folks? Mike back here once again in the Shave Den. Welcome to Long Island Shaving, and thanks for joining me this morning for today's shave and review of another collaboration effort between Master Soap Creations, this time with Pasteurs Pharmacy, and that is Christmas in New York City. Man, look at that label. Santa on a plane in Manhattan with the Empire State Building and Pasteurs Pharmacy on the right-hand side there. Really cool-looking label. And thank you to Leon and his team for sending this out to the channel for review purposes. I really do appreciate it, so thank you very much. And I'm happy to be able to share this with you guys today. One thing I will share with you, in conversations I reached out, unfortunately, the aftershave splash is no longer available. It is sold out. However, they do still have some soaps left. At the time of this recording, there's about 16, 17 or so. How I know that is I added it to my cart and I click on the plus button to see how many I can purchase. And it looks like there's about 16 left at Pasteurs Pharmacy. And I'm sure you guys can find an aftershave splash that you can pair up with this that resembles this. This is a very sweet, vanilla, fragrant, kind of like smells like off like whipped cream, like the whipped cream fragrance with vanilla, and the mid notes. I'll go through the scent notes actually right now. Mid notes of caramel, chocolate, and benzoin, and the base notes are sweet notes of musk. So whipped cream, vanilla, caramel, chocolate, benzoin, and sweet notes of musk. That's what represents Christmas in New York City. It's a really vanilla forward fragrance. If that's something you like, if you like gourmands, this is definitely something that you will enjoy. And it's inspired by Vanilla Bean Noel by Bath and Body Works. It was released back in 2014. My wife used to use that Vanilla Bean Noel by Bath and Body Works, so she was familiar with that fragrance. And I had her smell it from the tub. From the tub soap, she said it did not resemble that. However, the aftershave splash, she said it was pretty much spot on. I know it's early in the morning. I need to have another cup of coffee. That's what I need to do right now. But man, I've been looking forward to sharing this with you guys. So here we go. Christmas in New York City. Let's get right into it. Let's discuss what I'm going to be shaving with today. I'm going to be using the Blackbird TI. And I'm going to choose, let's see, what blade am I going to go with today? I think I'm going to go with a Persona Comfort Coat blade. Kind of like the way that's been shaving as of late. I've been using that in some of my razors and been really enjoying it. So I've got a brand new Comfort Coat with the Blackbird TI, and I'll be using this brush here from Alpha Shaving Works. It's the T400, which, by the way, I think I picked this up from Pasteurs Pharmacy last year, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll be using this today, a nice 24 millimeter synthetic knot. And I'll be whipping it up, and I'll take you guys for the ride. In the Captain's Choice bowl. Have not used this bowl, and it used to be one of my favorites. I've been spoiling Spot Prince bowls. I've been using them often. So I'm going to break out one of my favorite bowls to use, and that's the Captain's Choice. All right, so let's go ahead and scoop out a small amount, and then we'll get right into today's shave. Quick 2-pass shave. Nothing crazy. Leaving the goatee. I figured I'm going to take it through Christmas because I got to kind of represent Santa Claus a little bit with the white beard. Power just went out on my display light, which means I need to charge the battery, which I have a battery here. So let's see. Nothing like some technical difficulties. All right, there we go. We're back on. Yeah, I have a portable light here, just kind of gives some additional light for the video, but it's battery operated, and I have a power bank here that charges it up. So, all right, going to go ahead and mash that soup at the bottom of the bowl. And again, thank you again to the great folks over at Pasteurs Pharmacy for sending this out for review. I really do appreciate it. I do like a nice gourmand every once in a while. Not typically what I use on a regular basis, but they are fun and enjoyable at times to use. And as far as the soap is concerned, It's not overly sweet, if that kind of makes any sense. I mean, you do pick up the vanilla, the caramel, and the kind of like that whipped cream fragrance that you get from whipped cream. But where it really gets sweetens up is with the aftershave splash. And the projection, just like I did a review recently with St. Nick's Private Lounge, that projected for a good 5 or 6 hours. And this Vanilla Bean Noel, inspired by Bath & Body Works, this fragrance also projects quite long throughout the day. All right, so that's that. All right, let's go ahead, add some water, and whip this up. Hope everyone is doing well. I've been getting a ton of videos out as of late, more than usual. It's a fun time of the year to do this. I am enjoying myself. A lot of these reviews are stuff that I just want to do and kind of get back into sharing them on the channel. So some of this stuff was kind of neglected last year, so I want to try to experience a lot of these new sets along with a lot of my seasonal favorites, which I've been sharing with you guys on the channel multiple times this month. Not to say I'm not going to share them multiple times in the channel, but at least get you guys to experience it with me at least once. And then hopefully get a couple more shaves in before the end of December and going into January. But this time of the year is always good for a nice gourmand, sweet set and fragrance to enjoy. Oh wow, that's really nice. But again, like I mentioned, it's not overly sweet on the soap, but it does sweeten up quite a bit on the splash. This is the new collab base by Master Soap Creations. It's a 6-ounce tub of soap. So you get quite a bit of soap here. And the base from Master Soap Creations, as you guys can see here, lathers up with ease and does a great job. All right, I'll get into the description a little bit, but let me go ahead and apply for the first pass. Let me wet the face first. I also have to load the blade and not forget this time. But even with, I kind of like that where the soap may not come off as strong, but when it really comes together in the splash, that's really what it's all about anyway. It should be stronger in the splash versus the soap. There's really no need to put so much fragrance oil, in my opinion, into the soap, even though I do enjoy the soap having a really nice, strong fragrance. I don't like it to be overpowering. If you're going to hit me with that fragrance harder, I would rather be in the splash anyway, because that's what's going to ultimately project throughout the day anyway. So I'm fine with that. So I'm shooting this. This is Friday morning. I am shooting this review. All right, I think we're good to go. All right, let's go ahead and load the razor. Been loving this Blackbird TI. Really fantastic shaver. Extremely efficient. A razor that you definitely have to respect and be careful with. But I've had the Blackbird long enough that I know to respect this razor, because it can bite you if you don't pay attention. It's not, it can be used by someone that has sensitive skin, but it is a fairly aggressive, not overly aggressive, but very efficient. And like I said, it will bite you, so you got to be careful. So maybe not an everyday shaver, but for me, I can use it every day. But it's definitely one that's great to use if you got to like shave off a lot of growth or multiple days. It really does a great job getting through that growth. All right, go ahead, line up those sideburns. Get a nice sharp line there. Oh yeah. Oh, taking it off like butter. Let's get the other side. Yeah, Master Soap Creations has been really killing it. Another favorite of mine from them is Dylan Blue. Collaboration that they did with the Razor Company. Got tobacco. Really nice tobacco scent. I did St. Nick's Private Lounge yesterday with the Wet Shaving Store, and today we're doing the collab with Pasteurs Pharmacy. So great to see all these collaborations. Man, that is really nice. It's almost like shaved with a straight edge. I'm not one to know, but I can imagine that it feels like almost like that. It really gets super close, even on that first pass. I mean, I could technically be done right now. That's how easy it gets through the growth. All right, let's go through the details, and I'm going to go through the second pass. So Christmas in New York, Vanilla Bean Noel. Celebrate the holidays with Christmas in New York, a special collaboration between Master Soap Creations and Pasteur Pharmacy, as I mentioned. This is a limited edition scent, a warm homage to Vanilla Bean Noel by Bath & Body Works. The original vanilla fragrance, loved for its cozy creaminess and sweetness. Originally launched in 2014, it combines smooth vanilla and whipped cream with a soft caramel, chocolate, and gentle musk base, capturing the comforting spirit of the holidays, even in every shave. And then the scent notes I kind of went through with you guys. So that is Christmas in New York City. And I'll leave that description in the description of the video as well if you want to read back, along with the scent notes. Really nice. Man, this collab base is excellent. Probably could have hydrated this more, but still fine. All right. Pass number 2, we'll do this one against the grain. And then we'll wrap up the shave. But again, if you guys are looking to, if you're interested in this, and again, like I said, you can pair it up. I'm sure many of you have a lot of different gourmand or something that's sweet, resembles or has vanilla in it. And you could pair it up nicely with this and still enjoy the shave and have that awesome label. I mean, look at that label. I mean, that is really cool artwork. I think they did a really nice job with that. We're supposed to, in New York, we're supposed to get some snow this weekend. Nothing crazy. They're talking maybe 4 to 6 inches. So that will be the first snow of the year for New York. So that kind of will be pretty cool to get into the spirit of the holidays. Nothing like some snow on the ground. I like it when it's fresh and not when it's been sitting around and piling up and getting dirty. Get that nice powdery white snow on the ground. Are you kidding me? You cannot get a better shave. This is such an efficient razor. No need to go any further than that. Go ahead and do a quick rinse. soap in the ear. Nice shave. All right. Excellent shave. All right, let me just tighten up a little bit. Just dropped the frag on the floor. Hopefully it didn't break. Tighten up the goatee a little bit. Still got some nice residual slickness from the soap. All right, we are good to go. Now for the start of the show, the aftershave splash. I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and I expect that this is going to last for the majority of the day. Because when I did test it, it lingered on for most of the day. Give it a good shake. One thing about Master Soap Creations and their splashes, they are very hydrating. A lot of skin food. Here we go. Oh, wow. I can smell it already. Man, that splash and that application is unreal how good it is. No question, you can feel it being absorbed into your skin and protecting your skin after that shave and moisturizing it. Almost like a balm in a way. This is excellent. All right, let's see what I get from this now. Wow, this is really nice. Definitely has that sweet whipped cream, vanilla fragrance. But I also do pick up the caramel right away. I don't get the chocolate as much, but it's probably so sweet you don't even pick it up. But I definitely pick up the caramel with the vanilla. And maybe some muskiness. It's mentioned here, sweet notes. I don't know exactly what it means as far as what's contributing to the muskiness, but it does have a muskiness vibe. It's a really nice, sweet gourmand. And again, always good to have one of those every once in a while. I do enjoy them from time to time, and really enjoyed this one. So thank you again to Leon and team. Christmas in New York City, guys. So awesome label, great collaboration. Really like what Master Soap Creations is doing with all these collabs. And this is another banger, in my opinion, if you're someone that really likes sweet vanilla gourmands. So with that, thank you very much for tuning in. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you guys next time in the Shave Den. Take care now, guys. Bye-bye.